Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike stands out as a remarkable choice for urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With a robust 1000W motor, this e-bike delivers impressive power, reaching speeds of over 30 miles per hour, catering to those who crave a thrilling ride. The bike's design also prioritizes convenience, featuring a folding mechanism that allows easy storage and portability, making it an ideal option for those with limited space or for those who frequently travel. One of the standout features is the 48V 20.8AH large removable battery. This battery not only offers an extensive range but also ensures that you can cover significant distances without the fear of running out of power. Depending on the terrain and rider weight, you can expect a range of up to 80 miles, which is remarkable for an e-bike in this category. The removable design adds convenience, enabling you to charge the battery indoors or swap it out for a spare when needed. The bike's construction is sturdy and reliable, with a robust frame that can handle various terrains, from city streets to rugged paths. The 20-inch wheels provide a balance of agility and stability, making it easy to navigate tight corners or rough trails. The mechanical disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, ensuring safety at high speeds. Comfort is not overlooked. The bike includes a cushioned saddle and adjustable handlebars, allowing for a personalized riding experience. Additionally, the pedal assist feature provides an excellent balance of exercise and ease, allowing riders to engage in a workout when desired or to take it easy when fatigue sets in. The 1000W folding electric bike is a fantastic blend of power, convenience, and comfort. It is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their commute or enjoy leisurely rides while enjoying the outdoors. With its impressive specifications and thoughtful design, it brings an enjoyable cycling experience to both beginners and seasoned riders.